Hi everyone. Uh, Today was very impressive to me. So many people who they are interesting about our service. That was really good. And actually, I took so many pictures that makes our marketing managers will be happy because of taking picture. And then now I'm going to explain about our service. The Quiztok is quiz mining the app, the platform. Can you hear that? Okay. Next. I'm going to start with this question. What do you think about this question? Could Q give me a chicken? Actually, Q stands for quiz and question. So actually, this quiz means, can I eat a fried chicken with just plain quizzes? What do you think about it? There. End of this presentation, you guys will know the answer. And then, but some people already know the answer. Then Q is the most important alphabet of the Quiztok. Actually, every day we are asking and answer about what we want to know and what we want to share the information. There is a quiz and question. We already do that. So we just focus about the quiz. How about that? If we give the rewards when you just answer the correct answer, maybe it will be very fun and interesting. So we just focus on the quiz and we make the quiz talk. So as you can see here, actually, here's a Korean. Maybe some guys can't read the Korean. So I can say the quiz is what is the natural phenomenon in the high altitude, the bright night as a daytime. The first one is aurora, the second one El Niño, third one white night, the last one the polar night. What do you think about it? Yeah, actually this content is very short and compressed. It's very easy to share the knowledge. And then Quiztok will give you the reward based on our advertisement. And here, when you answer the correct answer, we will give the reward based on the advertisement. The reward, it is the most important thing to motivate people. In traditional SNS, users can get the intangible reward, such as honor or superiority or pleasure. That's all. But Quiztok can give the real intangible reward based on the advertisement. So, as you can see here, the user can make a quiz and distribute the quiz, or some other players can just play in the quizzes. Then they can earn cute coin. Then if you got the cute coin, you can buy anything, including chicken. It's just up to you. And here, this one is just simple flow chart to how we can earn cute coin and how you can buy cute coin here. So actually, in this process, without the advertiser, our system will not work properly. So we have to give some reason why advertisers expose their service or product in our platform to all users. We have to make it. So the answer is big data. You know, actually, if you answer any question, we will categorize who you are, where you're from, what is your gender, where you're living in. So we call it the big data of the user. We can supporting this information to the advertisement. We make the reason why you have to using our platform. So all your advertisers will have to buy the cute coin to expose their advertisement to all users. The other users can get the reward from the flank quiz, or someone want to make a quiz, and if other users will solve the quiz, he will share the reward. And then finally, we have the donation and sponsorship here. If you want to share your reward to some people, you can donate it simply on the platform. Until now, I'm just saying about as Quizztok strong points, but you guys want to know how we can make it. Is it possible and it can be reality? So we build a very clear the platform here, but actually we don't have enough time to explain about it. So now I'm going to just say about our concepts. Here, we have 4 layers. First one is application, service, external space. The final one is the blockchain layers. And then every services we call messenger, bot, quiz, PPL and etc. We call that is a service. Each service is based on designed based on the DDD. This DDD stands for the domain-driven design. So each service has very clear context boundary. Then each service is working as a microservices. So it's very scalable. If we have the user very rapidly increase, we can support it. We just put more services in here. It can cover every increment. Yeah, this one is it's saying about our ecosystem, but actually it's saying about just abstract of our ecosystem. The middle one is the creator and curator and quiz player. There's main roles in here. They can make a quiz and play and distribute. The second one is advertisement. As I said, it's really important for us. And they will buy the coin, and it's a cute coin, and they will expose their advertisement to anyone to make people get reward. The third one is a cute coin reward pool. Actually, we thought in the beginning of our service, we can't get enough advertisement. So we have the pool. It can be working for the buffer in the beginning. Maybe it's working 1 or 3 years. Then after we got enough advertisers, we don't need to use in the reward pool. Then third one, donation and sponsorship. Actually, we are working in the blockchain. Blockchain means decentralized one. So we want people share easily their reward to the other one, including every users or the other organizations such as UNICEF, some other sponsorship organizations. So we always support the donation. The last one is the external coin exchange. If I say just exchanging, coin exchanging, lots of people think about just market, coin markets. But it's not only one way. We're going to support the DEX. The DEX is a decentralized exchange. So in the beginning, I said, how about playing the quiz to buy chicken? But today I met some other partners. They say they are making some blockchain-based platform to take a taxi or playing games. Then you can think of that. When you're playing the game, get the reward, then you can buy a game or take a taxi. We can make this DEX decentralized exchange with other coins. So actually we have 3 alphabets here: platform, quiz, and reward. It's everything about Quiztok. The use case, actually we already built some beta test platform already. So it's all Korean. So we already have chatbot for the KakaoTalk, Line, and Telegram. Also we have our own app. And at the end of this year, we're gonna open the public API for the other partners. Then here is some example how you can use, how you can create, how you can list, how you can chat on our platform. And the last one is the typical quiz format. So I can say, you can eat chicken with our Quiztok. Just playing quiz, you can earn reward. Then you can do anything with our reward. Buying chicken, whatever you like. Okay, here's our milestone. We are between the Q3 and Q4. Actually, we are building our platform, and we are on our stage is actually on the private sailing. So at the end of this year, we're gonna run the ICO. Then the next year, we're gonna open our open API, so everyone can use our Quiztok on your game or on your platform, anything. Then I didn't put the DEX on here, but we're gonna do the DEX, open the DEX in the quarter 1 or quarter 2. Thank you. Actually, thank you. And here's my information. For more information, just call me then.